All right, I think I'm gonna start a new series here. It's gonna be called "What TF Am I Building Today?" Okay, this is what I've got today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 lawnmowers. Two in some lovely wooden crates. It requires me busting them out of the crate. The rest are easy in metal crates. Gosh. We got some Aaron's, we got some Toros, some Craftsman's. I think that's it, huh? Lots of good stuff. All right. Here we go. And it's raining, by the way. And it is raining. So I have to do all these in the rain. Just sprinkling. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right. Well, it's kind of hard to hold the phone and do this, so I'm going to start uncrating, and then I'll show you my results. Plus, it's raining, so it's kind of hard to hold the phone in the rain and do this, so I'll be back. Here's the dangers of doing lawnmowers. Luckily, these are all dead. They're all dead under the plastic, but look at them. There's one back here. All these, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yellow jackets or hornets or whatever out there. Plus there's some over here. Poor guys, but hey, there's even one on the tire. Thank goodness these are wasn't alive when I picked them off, took the plastic off. So wow, a yellow jacket graveyard under that plastic, wasn't it? Jeez. I did have one alive earlier underneath one plastic, but I took it off. I mean, I got him out of there. All right, we got it all uncrated, unbanded from the crates, straps or whatever. Now we're about to start putting them all together. Luckily, it doesn't require a whole lot of tools to put these together. You need like a 10 millimeter wrench for a battery, maybe, and a 1/2 inch socket for a back little bumper. But for the most part, everything else just kind of has its own little thing. I got a couple of Toros here. I got a couple of Craftsman. I got some Aaron's. A couple of Aaron's here. Those are nice. Got the lights on the front. Another Toro. So I got 3 Toros. And we got a couple of Craftsman tractors. Some T2200s. So these are the like bumpers. All right. Let's get started. All right, they're all assembled and waiting on some fuel. We use True Fuel here. We never used it. It's a great product. You don't have to worry about, especially if you got to mix oil and gas, like for your smaller engines. They make them where you already pre-mixed. Works fantastic. I use it in my equipment at home. My chainsaw uses a 40 to 1 mix. True Fuel has it. This is just a regular 4-cycle, so it doesn't have the ethanol and stuff like that. So I'm going to fill up my lawnmowers, and we're going to get them cranked off and lined up. We're all fueled up. Everything has a key. About to crank them up. The only thing I did notice is I have a flat tire on one, and I don't know if it's just needs more air or it's got a hole in it. I don't know until I get off the crate. That's going to be interesting. Here we go. Let me see if I can set this up. All right. Took me a whole 15 minutes to do that. Now I get to fold up all these crates, throw my trash away, and have to tell them about their tire, which ended up being not only flat, but they actually have to, it's like it's sliced or something, maybe cut, I don't know. But I have to repair for that. Maybe they got a new tire. All right. Here they all are. The rest of them are good to go. Just that one. I might have to have them drop me another one just to replace it. All right. That's 9 lawnmowers.